All right, welcome third graders to the 4.3 Spiral Math Tuesday homework help video. Round each number to the nearest 10 and 100. This is going to go to 40. This is going to 390 because the 5 bumps up the 8 to a 9. 555 becomes 560. The 5 bumps that other 5 up to a 6. 35 gets round to 0, 385 gets round to 400, and 555 gets round to 600. Okay, there are 24 students in Miss Crawford's third grade class. She wants to arrange her students' desks in groups of 3. How many groups will she make? Okay, so this is one where you're going to need to just go 1, 2, 3, put a circle around it. 1, 2, 3, put a circle around it. Now, you don't want to get confused here or lose track of how many dots. So 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, 15, 1, 2, 3, 18, 1, 2, 3, 21, and I'm going all the way up to 24. 1, 2, 3, so that's 24. And then how many groups did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Find the quotient. Okay, you guys can kind of figure some of those out using a multiplication chart. You just need to memorize those, really. What is the area of the figure? So you could count up each one of the squares because area is the grass area of a field. Perimeter would be just the fence. Okay, so you could break it up into two shapes like this. So we have a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 3 by 6. So this whole area is 18. And then right here is 6. So 18 plus 6 is 24. That is the area of the figure. Draw a fraction that is equivalent to 1 over 2. All right. So you can see here, that would be equivalent, 1 over 2. Now, I just made a 1 over 2 over here again, but they don't want you to make the exact same fraction. So what if I just cut the pizza one more time? Did I add any more shade? No, all I did was make a line there. But now, instead of 1 over 2, you have 2 over 4. You see that there? That's an equivalent fraction. I could cut it again. Now you have to cut it twice because you can see these two pieces are way smaller than this one. And when you do fractions, all the pieces have to be the same. Now look it, I have 4 8s. So 1/2 is equal to 2 over 4 or 4 over 8. There are 8 slices of pizza. Joey ate 2 slices of pizza and Chris ate 3 slices. What fraction of the pizza did they eat all together? Well, they ate 5 pieces out of 8. 5 pieces out of 8 altogether. The bottom number of the denominator is how many equal parts there are altogether or that make up the whole. Okay, every Saturday, Jessica has dance class beginning at 11:15 a.m. If her class is 1 hour and 30 minutes long, at what time will her class end? Okay, so it starts at 11:15 a.m. Let me zoom in here. 11:15 is going to be this first notch there, because every one of these teeny little notches is 15 minutes. At what time will our class end? Okay, so let's just add an hour. So we're at 11:15. Now we go to 12:15. So we added an hour, but we need to add 30 minutes. So we're at 12:15. 12:15 plus 30 minutes takes us to the 4th mark, which is 12:45 p.m. Okay, so we just kind of slowly chunked our way there. If the pile of cubes, let's see here, let me zoom out. If the pile of cubes on the left has a mass of 5 grams, whoa. Okay, I'm only seeing 4 squares here, but they're saying this is 5 grams. So look at, they were almost trying to trick you, I think, there a little bit. There's only 4 cubes, but it weighs 4 grams. Okay, about how many grams is the other pile? Well, we know 4 cubes is 5 grams. Why don't we just do this? That's one group of 5. Or that's a group of 4 cubes, which is 5 grams. So we're just going to group them up into 4 cubes. Did I make too many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Bummer. Okay, so we have our first group, our second group, and then our last group is going to be here. So I just went ahead and with my marker, I grouped them into groups of 4. So we have 3 groups of 4. And each 4 is 5. So 3 times 5 is 15 grams. Once again, each group of 4 is 5 grams. We have 3 groups of 4. Each one is 5. So 5, 10, 15. All right, hopefully that helps you with today's spiral math lesson, Tuesday 4.3.